Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take the swirl marks off the golf cart here's windshield. Make sure you clean it first. Okay, the next is going to be you're going to need a buffer and polishing compound. This model is 7424 XT by Polar Cable. It's really nice. Works really good. Alright, put some polish on the pad. Next step, I just use a spray wax to clean it off. I do the same thing here and put that down. You do on this side and you can do on the inside. Okay, if you like this video, press thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel. Click subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.